All right, guys. I went to the Dollar Tree. Here we go. I'm sorry. We went to the Dollar Tree. Maximus is here.
Yo.
All right. Here we go. Let's unbox some fun spring Dollar Tree stuff. All right. Let's see what we got in the first bag. It's going to be like an Easter theme again. And do you guys like my shirt? It's hard to see. Do you remember him from the other unboxing we did? Isn't he the cutest thing ever seen blowing a little bubble? Anyway. Oh, I almost forgot. Ow. 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 This is from yesterday. If you didn't see that video, go watch it. We got Queen Breezy here. All right. First out of our little Dollar Tree haul, we got Peeps. We're going to try some of these later, Max.
All right.
We got sour watermelon, and I think just Total Classic. Then, God, this thing hurts. Just regular blue. Aren't these the cutest things? I love Peeps. Peeps, oh my God. I don't know where this yesterday. Ow. All right, that's a little bit better. God, Timu is trying to like suck our brains out. Okay, then we got, look how cute this is, guys. Bunny pom-pom garland. Look how cute that is. There's literally no faces on them, but they look like little cottontails even if they have ears. But they're cute, aren't they? This was $3, and like the Peeps are $1.25. So I'm easy to remember the prices now because they're actually written on it. All right, what else did we get? We got an Easter kitchen towel. This was only $1.25 too, guys. It's so cute. It has little eggs on it. Love the Dollar Tree, the $1.25 tree. All right, look at this guy, $1.25. Isn't he cute?
Cute.
Max, don't you think he's cute?
Very cute.
Very cute. We're lucky to get Max in another video. I thought he was going to be a no-show today. First bag done. Next. All right. Oh, to go with the towel, even though they don't match because they didn't have matching ones. For $1.25, you got two, and they... Oh, come on now. They say Easter wishes on them. Yay. We love Easter. We love Easter so much, we're doing 2 Easter hauls. Oh, this is Max's. How did this? I thought you took this out of here. He snuck something in my haul, but it's really cute for his place. What's it say? God bless America. This was only $1.25. It's metal. Really cute. That'll look nice down at your place.
I like it.
I like it. Doesn't have to be a season for that. Ooh, more candy. I forgot. They're Peeps lollipops. I can't wait to try Peeps Lollipop. You gonna try Peeps Lollipop with me?
I'm definitely gonna do that.
Do you guys like Peeps Lollipops and Peeps? Obviously I do. It's been 2 hauls of Peep crap. That bag's done. Okay, next. I thought these were adorable. I'm gonna put them on my doors at work. They're window clings. Look how cute they are. These were only $1.25 and you get a decent amount of them, don't you think?
That's pretty good.
Have you guys done your Easter haul yet? Let me know in the comments. He's cracking it. He makes fun of me so much. It's hilarious. These are some of my fave, and these were only $1.25. You know, some things that were $5 doesn't make sense. Then these were $1.25. I don't know, maybe because it's not a name brand. I'm gonna put these outside. I got 3 different ones, and you put them in the ground. I think they're super cute, and they're glittery. It's hard to get a glitter in here with this lighting, but they're all glittery. Aren't those adorable? Max is going, you're turning the front of this building into like every season I have something. Halloween's probably my favorite, and then Christmas, and it's always decorated out front. All right, so we're getting into the stuff where I just thought it was the cutest thing, and okay, the cutest thing, and I'm not quite sure what it is. It's Peeps Bunny 10-inch LED candle. Maybe we'll let Max open this. It's a candle?
It looks like it's, yeah.
Can you read directions on that? I don't think it opens, but maybe it's like we need to put batteries in it?
Yeah, down here.
Oh. We're checking it out. Well, while he's doing that, what else? Oh my God, we got Peep, or these aren't Peeps. novelty glasses for $1.25, and look how cute they are. They're little bunny rabbit. And there's rhinestones, and it's glittery. Like, how can you not love glittery stuff? So cute. I love Dollar Tree hauls.
You need a little screwdriver.
Oh, okay. We'll light it up. Done. All right. That's really cute. Oh, that sucks. We'll go into this bag. Okay. Look how cute he is. Now, believe it or not, he was $3. Where like all those pretty wooden stakes were outside were $1.25. I don't understand. It's a tinsel bunny, but he's so cute. Look at him. He's like Peeps colors. I love him. And what else do we got in here? This was $3. It's just a decoration. I thought it was cute. It's an egg. It says Happy Easter on the top. Totally plastic, but I think they're cute. It'll look cute next to that, like the rabbit, don't you think? On a table.
That look good.
Yeah. God, that rabbit shedding all over everything. Oh, we have to take the crown off. I'm okay with that. Max will put it on.
Blocking the blood flow.
Oh my God, that's why I can't think of anything. We got rabbit ears. These rabbit ears, I'm assuming were $1.25. It actually doesn't say, but I don't think they'd be any more than $1.25. Okay, so we're gonna put these on for the rest. You can't see them. Look how sparkly they are. We're gonna make one happy and one droopy. Maybe not. So that's my head. Cute. And then we got Max a pair, which he's not going to wear, but they're going to go on my skeleton outside. These were $1.25 too. Look how cute they are. They're fuzzy. Do it, Max. Put it on.
Oh, yeah.
You know you're going to show everybody, right?
No. For your eyes only.
I don't know if his voice is being picked up on my mic, but it's pretty funny. Oh my God, show him. Just do it. Just do it. He's now regretting coming down here. So we got more candy and all the stuff I'm probably going to give to my nephew. Make him a little basket because we have a basket coming up too. So we got this is a double crisp. I like crispy chocolate. So that might be mine. And then we got more candy. These remind me when I was little, my grandma always would go to the local candy shop at home. It was called Gorance, and they had these, but they were like, real chocolate. Like these are, but good chocolate. So these are so cute. You get a whole basket, or what is this? A whole netting bag of them for, I'm going to say $1.25. It doesn't say. They're cute. They all have little, like, different spring animals on them. Oh, and this little guy, look at this little guy. I snuck this in the cart while he wasn't paying attention. How cute he is. He was $3, so I splurged. Isn't he cute? Little rustic, has a little, like, what is that called? What's that bag called? Burlap. Like a burlap bow tie on. So cute. Made it in. That's why he was $3. So I think we got a lot of cute stuff, guys. Let's keep going. We have on our last bag. I'm sad. All right, this might be another one Max has to figure out. Stay. This is a set of 4 egg containers. And it's a Peep. And let's open it. You would think there was food in here. I opened that so fast. So kind of Oh, stop it. Okay, so you have this one. And then you have this one. Oh my God, I'm dying. And okay, so that's that. And then you open this. Oh, shoot. They all opened. This will be a mess. And then you have this one. And then you have this one. I'm dying. Look how little they're getting. I think that might be the last one. Yeah. So they all go in. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking cute. I love it. I didn't know there was all that in there. It was definitely worth the $5, I would say. You guys go to your Dollar Tree and find this stuff? Let me know. Some of this is so cute. Peeps are taking over the world this year for Easter. We went to Walmart and I got this huge Peep for my Squishmallow bed. And then I got 2 little Peeps at TJ Maxx, and they're just so cute of them. Then you put him back in there. And you put his little face on. Oh, these are so cute. I love that. And last but not least, we had to get. Oh no, it's not last. I think Max has something over there.
I do.
It's a peep basket, and this peep basket was $5, but it's cute. It's furry, and we'll put a little basket together if we can. I don't have any grass, but I think it'll. All right, Maximus, what's our last two items?
Good one.
This little guy was so cute. He goes out in the front yard, or in my case, in front of the store. Very nicely made for $1.25. He's so cute with his little basket, isn't he?
Very nice.
And this is my favorite for $5. Look at, I don't know if you can skinny. Yeah. Welcome, peeps. This is going in front of my door here at the store. Tell me that's not the cutest thing. That's a decent quality, wouldn't you say, Max?
That is. That's pretty nice.
It's a nice, like a rubber backing, you would say?
Yeah.
So that's not moving. No one's going to trip on it. I think that's so cute. Here, can I give you this for a second? And real quick, because we're hitting the time here, but so you get your my little basket, and then I would probably put, you got to put something big in for the, I don't have kids. This would be for my nephew. So maybe put the little peep here, and then you stuff it with the candy. Where's the rest of my candy? There it is. Put the chocolates in there. And you can't forget your peep lollipops. Oh, I wish I had kids. This is so much fun. Oh, Max, we have to try one of these before we sign off.
Oh, yeah.
With the sour ones. Here, you open those. Well, he's doing that because we have to try the sour ones. Then you just put your traditional peeps in. I don't even think you would need grass with this basket, even though, I loved getting grass growing up. Is that all our candy? Oh, one more. And this one matches the basket. Oh, right there. Look at that cute basket. Any little kid would love to get something like that on Easter morning. I think that the Easter Bunny would drop it off. So cute. All right, let's try these sour watermelon peeps. How about we just do one? Okay, so here they are. Oh, God, you could smell how sour they are. I'm a little scared. They're pink on the inside. They're not No.
No, really.
They definitely taste like watermelon, but I'm not getting like a sour kick.
Oh, very good.
They're very good, guys.
Come on.
And I don't generally buy food from the Dollar Tree, but these are really good. These are sour watermelon peeps. Go grab some. Delicious.
I think I will.
Go ahead. That's all we have. That was our haul from the Dollar Tree. All Easter. So much fun. Mister, I don't want to be in the video today. Well, guys, I hope we gave you a great idea for some budget shopping for your Easter baskets. Super cute stuff. And I want you to all live your best breezy life. It is so much fun. Their cute little ears. And we'll see you next time. Bye.